against the UK. This is just a handful, and it only takes one, as per my post here, it only takes one unvetted migrant to be a terrorist and in some way harm the citizens of the UK or the infrastructure or anything else that the UK stands for. That is arguably a failure of that first duty of government. But what can you do about it? There are only certain types of claims and there are only certain routes of taking something to court. One of which is judicial review, but that requires a decision. So if there was a decision by government to do or not do something that was defective as a matter of law, that is something that can be the substance and matter of a judicial review. That is then for the court to assess the lawfulness of the decision and the decision-making process. It doesn't award damages. It focuses on the procedure. It focuses on the law. Did they consider something they shouldn't have considered? Did they not consider something they should have considered? Was the decision unreasonable? But there has to be a public body decision by on public law. So that is one thing. Is there any such decision? Well, you'd have to go through specifically and identify a decision. But even then, it would take a long time. It's very expensive. It's very difficult for most people to navigate. Again, another story which will explain to you in great detail why navigating the legal system. I reiterate my view. I think the biggest problem with the legal system, it is slow, clunky, expensive, and complicated. For most people, just would give up. Unless you have the stomach and sometimes the money, let's be honest, to follow through on things, you will really struggle. So judicial review, you'd have to identify a decision. You'd have to then prove that that was